Hello everyone, my name is Kelvin Ngzuken. In my video 121, I'm going to continue with the part 2 of the previous video where we are doing this to track the hotel rooms availability. Now, let's move on to the file. Now, the last video, we talked about how to pull out the availability of the room. And we already created something called the drop-down list. So if I choose 102, you see 102 here is missing from the 102 is missing because it's already taken. If I choose 106, I choose 203, I choose 204. So these are all the room that is taken. You'll notice that it will be missing from here. So what I'm going to do now is I want to have a room status to show that it's available or not. So we're going to put that equals to a simple VLOOKUP. I'm going to tell Excel, hey, please find for me this room number, okay, in here. Right, so I'm going to put a hash and yeah, I'm going to lock this one, F4, and of course, I'm looking for the room number followed by the exact match. So when I press enter, I will get 101 if it's available. And if it's not, it will show an A. So what I'm going to do now, those with the number means it's available. So I'm going to put here, if is number. So if the VLOOKUP returns with the number, then I want to put the word available. Oops, sorry. available, available, otherwise just leave it empty. All right, so that's it. So there will be an available when there is a number, and there will be empty if the room has been taken. Right, so that's the formula that I hope to achieve. Now, the second thing that I want to show in this video is to show the guest name if the room is already taken. So in this example, I'm going to use index. Index, I need to pull out the name. Okay, so I'm going to lock this one, comma, and I'm going to tell them, can you please do a match? Take this room number, okay, comma, and look inside this number. Okay, and I'm going to lock this again. Okay, comma. I'm going to put the exact match. There you go. Enter. Now, the first one, there's no one taken the room. So let's see about the second one. Yes, you see the guest one is already there. So these are the rooms that is available. It has been taken and who is the guest. Now, I do not want to show all these errors. So I'm going to add in something here. If error, and if this is an error, I want them to show nothing. Right? Keep it empty. So don't show me the error. That's it. So now these are all the guests, right? Now to finish it off, what I want to do now is this. I want to highlight this and I'll say, let's go and look for the conditional formatting, right? I'm going to put in a new rule. So for this rule, this is what I'm going to do. Now I'm in this particular cell D3. So I'm going to tell them, please check for me if this E3, but I need to make sure I only lock the E and not the 3. Okay, is equals to empty. So if this is equal to empty, then I want to change the font color to a light gray, a lighter gray. So maybe a lighter one. Then I hit OK, and OK again. See, all those rooms that has been taken will turn gray. So if I continue to do this, right, maybe I have 10 guests that sign in. So this is in room 305. This is in room 309. And this is in room 109. And this is in 209. And this is in 207 and 105. Right? These are the things. So you see, all those that has been taken, has been booked, has been taken by the guest. So it's all in gray color. These are all the rooms that's available that we can use for our guest booking. So I hope this video gives you an idea how you can use Microsoft Excel, a simple program to help you do the tracking of your room availability, or in your hospital will be your bed availability, and many more. All right. So I hope this solution can help you and your friends or whoever that need this solution. Please remember, like and share my video, join and subscribe to my YouTube video and TikTok. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.